How to add captions on NanoBanana.AI. I am going to guide you step by step on how to do it. Let's get started. First, on your laptop, open your preferred web browser and search for NanoBanana.AI. Once the website opens, log in with your account. Now on the homepage, scroll down to AI Editor section. Here you will find options like image to image and text to image. To add captions, select the text to image option. In the main prompt field, type in the caption or description you want to appear on your image. You can write it in natural language, add style, or give detailed instruction like type font, size, or placement. After entering your caption text, type Generate Now button. NanoBanana.AI will process your request and apply the caption to your image. Wait a few minutes for it to finish, and that's it. That's how easily you can add captions on NanoBanana.AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.